Every morning, millions wake up to chase someone else's dream. They get dressed, commute, and sit in an office, trading their time for a paycheck, but a few decide to build their own. What if your freedom didn't depend on your job, but on your laptop? This is the story of freelancing, the modern way to take control of your life. Freelancing isn't just about working online, it's about owning your time. It's choosing your projects, your clients, and your path to growth. It's the freedom to be your own boss, one project at a time. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, a video editor, a programmer, or even a voice-over artist, there's a place for you. It's about turning your skill into your business. So how do you start? You don't need to be a world-class expert. You don't need a perfect portfolio filled with a decade of work. All you truly need is one skill and the courage to share it. That's it. Your first step is simple. Create a profile on a platform like Upwork or Fiverr. Don't try to offer everything. Offer one small, simple service you can do well. Your goal isn't to make $1 million overnight. It's to get your first job, do it exceptionally well, and earn that first positive review. That's how you build your reputation, slowly, one brick at a time. Now, let's be real, it won't always be easy. This is the reality check. You'll face rejection. You'll send 20 proposals and get 0 responses. You'll have clients who ghost you. You'll doubt yourself. Every single person who has made it as a freelancer started right there, in that exact place of uncertainty. The secret isn't some magic formula, it's consistency. It's showing up even when you don't feel like it. Keep learning. Use free resources on YouTube or affordable courses on Skillshare to sharpen your skills. Build your own sample projects, even if no one is hiring you yet. Treat this journey like you're building a real business from day one, not just a casual side hustle. Think about Alex Fasulo. She quit her 9-to-5 job and started writing articles on Fiverr. In her first month, she made just $50. Today, she earns over $300,000 a year. Or Danny Margulies, who started on Upwork with a single $50 gig. He kept learning, kept improving, and built a 6-figure business from home. Then there's Rachel Pederson, a mom who started by managing small social media pages for local businesses. Within 2 years, she grew that small start into her own full-scale digital agency. And Hafiz Muhammad Ali, a student from Pakistan who began on Fiverr and now runs his own marketing company in the UK. What did they all have in common? They started from zero. No money, no connections, no special luck. Just a decision, the decision to start. The hardest part of this journey isn't getting clients. It's not learning a new skill. The hardest part is truly believing that you can do it. You don't need to see the entire staircase to the top. You just need to take that first step, because I promise you one day you'll look back at this moment and you'll realize that your small, uncertain start was the exact moment your entire life began to change. Start small, stay consistent, build your freedom. Thanks for watching. If this inspired you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you build the life you deserve. See you in the next one.